Okay, so
what's happening?
Before we leave this hour, toss things over to Friday Night Beauty, we have to bring you.
What is this?
Okay, do you guys know that that for about 4 days at the end of January, Mally, we had, not we, but like the Italian jewelry world had the biggest jewelry fair, and it was in Vicenza, Italy.
Okay.
And it was literally like Forbes magazine did a big thing on it saying like this jewelry fair is shaping the future of jewelry.
Wow.
Okay, so this is one of the big things that David Markstein in his brand, who he was a buyer for us for like, God knows, 3 decades or something crazy like that.
Yes.
And then left QVC as a buyer and started his own brand. These are sterling silver, and in some of the color choices, 18 karat gold dipped paper clip necklaces.
Wow.
Here are your sizes, because as we go down the row, trust me, you're gonna get between 7 and almost 9 grams of 925 sterling. Okay, so first I'll do sizes.
Yeah.
There's an 18-incher,
That's right.
20, 22.
And that's what you're wearing, by the way.
Correct. And then look at these colors.
I know.
Okay, so 18 karat yellow over sterling. Then we have our two-tone.
Gorge.
Then we have our 925 sterling. Then we have this, which is our two-tone silver and black.
Wow.
And then I love the two-tone silver and rose gold. This is the most limited.
Wow.
I mean, gorgeous, right?
Really gorgeous and special. I've never seen anything like this before.
Look. So I'm wearing it. I'm
Yeah.
wearing it. Somewhere in here,
Great.
I'm wearing it. 1,500 ordered a
Wow.
couple days ago. And made in Italy. And I just have to say, like, I cannot get over the price.
That's
Made in Italy, and it's
gorgeous.
not even like $100.
Yeah.
So I will just tell you as you go in close, so you're not seeing things. It's intended to be inspired by a paper clip.
Yeah.
But then look at the texture. Can you see that?
Yeah, it's like sparkly.
It almost looks like there's pave diamonds.
Yes. How do they do that?
I don't know. And can I tell you something else that's cool? Don't worry about the length that you get, 18, 20, or 22.
Yeah.
Because, spoiler alert,
You can.
attach it anywhere you want and even create like a little Y lanyard necklace.
Oh, get the 22.
That's what I'm saying.
Get the 22
Right?
so
Right.
you can. Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Shawnee, that's gorgeous.
Have you guys taken the girls to Italy?
We're taking them.
Okay.
I know.
Just checking.
It's so funny. It's like you're in my house or something.
Well.
Talked about it last night.
This is
Okay.
a brand new as of Wednesday of this week, so
Spying on
2 days
me.
ago. I have ring cams all throughout your home. 2,000 from 2 days ago already ordered. You choose 18, which is now in her hands,
Sorry.
20 or 22 inches. Then you choose either the 925 sterling, the 18 karat dipped sterling.
Gorgeous.
You have 3 two-tones. You have a yellow and silver, which is the 18 karat 925.
Very chic and very happening right now.
You have the rose and silver, and then the black rhodium gunmetal and silver. Like they're just, oh.
And if you get the necklace, you should probably get a square neck sweater. Just saying.
You just say.
So that-
Wait, can I just say?
yeah.
By the way, these aren't shipping until March 19th, so sit tight. And would like you to know that we have this coupon code,
Yes.
LOVE15. You type that in,